Hello, I'm Sue Evans, Chief Executive at Social Care Wales, and we're changing our logo this month to celebrate Pride Month 2022 and to show our commitment to equality, diversity and inclusion. We're very proud to stand shoulder to shoulder with members of the LGBTQ+ community and are committed to celebrating diversity and inclusion and to tackling unfair discrimination wherever we see it. We will use Pride Month as an opportunity to raise awareness internally and externally, so to make sure that everybody working with us, or registered with us, or planning or thinking about working with us, to feel safe with our organisation, that they can always be themselves. I am sending happy Pride Month wishes to everybody in the LGBTQ+ community in Wales, and especially to those working in the childcare, early years and social care sector. Happy Pride Month, everybody.